Hey guys, welcome back. So I'm doing an eyeshadow tutorial with the BH Cosmetics Zodiac Palette. This palette is gorgeous. It's so pretty, which I already showed you guys this in my haul, but I love the shadows in here. Today I am gonna go ahead and prime my eyelids with my NYX glitter primer, just because I wanna see how this works with some of those shades that are, you know, really shimmery. So I'm just going to, and I'm gonna have to use a brush. My nails are so long and I need to get a fill-in like so bad. My nails have just grown out so much. I'm just too like busy to go and get them filled in. And yeah, so I'm just blending that out with the Sigma Precision Round P82. First I'm gonna go in with Matte Aquarius, which is this shade here. So I'm just using windshield wiper motions and little circular motions to blend that into the crease. Okay, on this side I'm going in with my Sigma E25. That other brush is just too large for my crease. I'm going to be using this matte Pisces color and the Morphe M433 brush, and I'm just going to lightly blend this here in the outer V. I'm just using little small circular motions out here. This brown is kind of more of like a purpley brown. It's not a real cool tone brown. It's like more of like a warm kind of brown color, which I'm kind of surprised because I thought in the pan it looked a little bit more of like a cool dark brown, but it is a really pretty color though. I do like it. Move it into the crease a little bit. Then I'm just gonna use Matte Aries, which is this shade here. It's just like a matte black. And this is the Morphe E506 brush. Okay. Make sure you tap that color off really good because I just got some fallout. I'm gonna try to brush it off of my face. Ugh, yeah. Definitely got some fallout there. I'm just gonna kind of put this tissue down while I blend this because I don't want to get any more fallout on my face, because I'm going to have to try to go back and clean that up now. Okay, then before I clean up that fallout, I'm just going back with that matte Pisces and just blending that out. And then I'm going back with Matte Aquarius and just blending the top of the crease out. Then I'm just gonna try my best to clean this up. Yeah, unfortunately that's not cleaning up that great. Okay, I think I got it that time. Okay, then I'm just gonna take a little bit of that matte black, bring it down. Okay, so now I'm gonna try to attempt that over here on this side and hopefully try not to get fallout on my face. I just made sure to tap the brush off really, really well. Using little circular motions. And I'm just going back in with the 433 brush, the M433, and just blending that out. I'm just going back with the M506. I'm also going to take a little bit of that color down here. Then I'm just going back in with some more matte Aquarius. I almost feel like this look would be really pretty with the Libra color, but I really wanted to use Taurus. And I'm just going in with Taurus, the shimmery Taurus shade. And then I'm just gonna mist that with my MAC Fix Plus. And then I'm just gonna pat that here on the lid, the first kind of third of the lid. Such a beautiful color. I love that. I might try to use my finger a little bit with it too. Yeah, it applies really nice with the finger. I'm just gonna do the same thing with the other side. And then I'm just gonna also use my finger to intensify it. And then I also wanna go in with some of the Libra color on my finger, and I'm gonna pat that right out here, just because I feel like that would look really pretty. And then I'm just gonna kind of blend that. I feel like because my nails are long, I'm like getting those shimmers up in my crease. Long nail problems. I'm just gonna kind of blend that out to hopefully get the shimmer off. But yeah, those colors are stunning on the lid. So gorgeous. I'm just gonna pop some more of this Taurus shade here in the inner corner. And then I'm just going back with that matte Pisces shade, and I'm just gonna kind of blend that right there. And I'm just going back with my Sigma E25 blending. For my liquid liner, I'm just going in with my Tarteist Double Take Liner, the liquid liner side. For my mascara, I'm just going in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So I already did my blush and all the other stuff. I know I normally don't go ahead and do that in my tutorials, but I filmed what I've been doing recently to get this really nice, youthful, radiant glow. So if you want to watch that video to see what other products, like to see how I use them, I'll link that video down below, and I'll also list down below what I used. In case you didn't want to watch that video, but you're just curious as to what I used on my face. I am gonna, however, finish my lips because I haven't done that part yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with my L'Oreal Paris Infallible Never Fail Lip Liner in Nude. And then I just smushed my lips. I just smushed my lips together to blend that out. And then for my lipstick, I'm gonna use a lipstick that I haven't used in a while, but that I really like. This is one of the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea lipsticks in the shade Beach Babe. I hope that you guys enjoyed this eyeshadow tutorial with this BH Cosmetics Zodiac Palette. If you would like to see some more makeup looks or eyeshadow tutorials with this, please let me know down in the comments, and maybe let me know which color or what colors you'd like to see me do with this palette next. There's just so many beautiful things you can do with this palette, so yeah, just let me know down in the comments. And if you did enjoy this, please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can be part of my YouTube family here, and so you can stay up to date on all of my videos. And I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye.